Hey, you're here with Chico for call options trading. All right, what's exciting this week? It's May 14th, Wednesday, and I didn't mention this on the last video yesterday. There was news about Microsoft laying 3% of the workforce, which is about 6,000 people, and I think there's some articles saying about that. There's almost like 2K in the United States or something like that. Anyways, yeah, here in this article is Redmond headquarters, 1985. So, hey, even if you're with the big dog and your company just had a record quarter of profits and a surge in the stock price, well, at least it's quite a bit for Microsoft with such a large market cap. You're not safe, you know. They're keeping you on your tippy toes and making sure you're turning the wheel as hard as you can. So yeah, I thought that was kind of interesting news from Microsoft. Now for us, okay, Tesla has been like going up since we made a play for it on Tuesday. Monday we had the rally, right? We had a strong rally because Donald Trump said he would roll back the tariffs against China, and to hold it off at least. And so the market really went up by over 4%. And then Tuesday the rally continued, but Tesla wasn't going up that much. And I thought, given its surge over the past several weeks, here's the 1 month chart. It's just flying, right? It's just going up there. I thought it'd be good to make a very quick play out of this, and boy, was I wrong. Yesterday, the day after making that play, there was some deal with about Saudi Arabia accepting its Starlink. I didn't actually read into the article, but I think that potentially drove up the stock price midway on yesterday, and today it continues to go up. I mean, there was some news about how they're going to restructure Musk's pay package because he didn't get his big tens of billions payout in the past. But nothing substantial. I mean, they still have like a lot of EV woes. But hey, it's I guess obviously certainly people believe in him, and I understand that. But I didn't think the stock would continue to surge like this on us. And so, given that, we're kind of a little bit in red with the call option contract that we sold. And here's Kava. Kava has not gone up so much since we last spoke yesterday. The game plan is we will sell call option contracts on them tomorrow. I was hoping that they would go up a little bit further to buy us a little bit more comfort, but no. A lot of people are waiting to see what happens, and there's a lot of pessimism, I guess, in the food industry, given Chipotle, Starbucks, and all these other companies. Nobody's really, upping the forecast, blowing out the quarters. I think consumers are kind of holding back on dining out and what have you. But still, okay, that's fine. If it holds at this price, we'll continue to do as planned. So where are we with Tesla here? Yeah, we sold at $480, and the price was about $320. Now the price is like up 20 some dollars, $24, $25 almost. And that contract, to buy it back, is costing us would be $17 at market price right now. So yeah, we're down $1,200 on this. With that said, we're still looking to exit. I don't think there's no point in changing our plans and holding it for the rest of the week. Hopefully it does come back down a little bit to minimize the amount of loss that we have to absorb. So the Nasdaq is trickling down a little bit. So keep an eye out on it, and maybe either wrap it up today or tomorrow, and then just move on to Kava. Kava, I believe, reports after the bell. So we have all that time to transition our play to Kava. All right, yeah, didn't work out well for Tesla. I'm sure we're gonna absorb the loss for this, but yeah, I mean, hopefully it comes down a little bit today or tomorrow, and then we can exit. Okay, yeah, that's all I have for today. I hope you're having a good day. Catch you tomorrow.